Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2019 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine. Has four-wheel drive capabilities. We do get a nice dual exhaust with this vehicle, your backup camera, nice little lip up there, mud flaps on the rear and front with chrome and black trim on the exterior. You got heated door mirrors. We got a lovely remote start on this vehicle, perfect for the cold winter months, with that license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You have cargo cubby holes, hooks and doodads. Got a 12 volt and a light back here with storage underneath with a spare tire. We do get the ability to collapse your last row if you need additional storage as well, which is always pretty handy. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have that nice gray, black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, rear vents, 12 volt, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver seat, some storage below. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, manual passenger seat, plenty of more door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 75,037 kilometers. This nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, voice, playback, play forward and phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can then go through. Trip 1 and 2. Information and your settings. Over here you have your gear select, parking brake, cup holders, and storage. With your storage below, you do get upper and lower storage as well. More storage here with some outlets, auto stop, auto start, traction, dual climate up front with heated front seats, engine start stop, storage below. Nice big infotainment system here with your tune, source, all that jazz, volume, hazards, got all touchscreen right here as well. Navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM, your phone controls, your navigation, any apps you may download will show up right here, Sirius XM Travel-Link as well, settings such as mobile apps, Apple CarPlay, valet mode, all that jazz, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE37415B, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.